Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can delete all of our Google search history. So if you're confused how to do so, you may follow up these steps. So open up Chrome or any of the web browser available, and you can directly go to the search. And in the search, type in web myactivity.google.com and hit go. And that should open up your Google account activity, and make sure you are logged into the correct account that you would like to delete the history from. Once you are here, you want to delete the history. So from here, you can scroll down, and here you'll be finding different options available, your history available. So you can filter it out if you prefer before deleting it. So you can tap on this filter by date, and here you can just go ahead and select the date and time. So you can select the all time, or whether today, yesterday, 7 days, last 7 days, or even customize it by tapping on custom and typing in the date. After that, you can just go ahead and select the kind of history that you would like to delete and apply it up and tap on apply. And that should filter out the thing for you, the history for you. Now, in order to remove it, you just need to go ahead and tap on this option for delete results, or you can just go ahead and cancel it out. So you can just go ahead and tap on this option called delete results, tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be going ahead and confirming that you would like to delete the activity. So confirm it. And there you go. Now the deletion has been completed. You can close this up. Got it. And there we go. You will be finding no results for your Google now. And that is it. So these are the methods you can follow up. You can also directly delete your history from the Google app on your Android device. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.